Welcome to Ask an Expert, where a technical product expert answers questions from our customers. This is John Appleson, Marketing Manager with Pepperl+Fuchs. Today I'm joined by Casey Sutton. Casey works as an application engineer here at Pepperl+Fuchs. So welcome, Casey, and thanks for being here.
Hi, John. Thanks for asking me.
Okay, Casey, let's get started. The customer is asking if there are any additional adjustments to get a narrower cone beside the two pots inside the cover. Casey, any thoughts on this?
With this model of ultrasonic sensor, there are two easy ways to get a narrower cone. The first is to adjust the potentiometer on the unit itself. The second is to use the Ultra 3000 software available on our website to reduce the cone angle. Either way, the cone can be narrowed by about 10%.
All right, this customer would like to know if ASI data decoupling is the same as ASI filter integrated. Can you shed any light on this, Casey?
In this case, AS interface data decoupling is the same as AS interface filter being integrated. This technology allows power and data to be transmitted over the same line.
This customer has an application where they cut a cross into one end of a steel rivet so they can flare it out. They'd like to use a sensor that can identify the cross as present. Casey, what can you recommend?
This particular application requires a very accurate photoelectric sensor, specifically one with a very small light spot. In this case, our VT18 laser diffuse mode sensor can provide not only the accuracy, but the small light spot necessary for this application.
Casey, this customer wants to know the output stage of an NJ 1.5-V3-N-150-Y45879 and what it's used for. Casey, can you explain the output stage?
The output stage for this sensor is a separate amplifier that can be placed far away from the sensing face. This is especially useful in high heat applications where the sensing face is rated for a far higher ambient temperature than the amplifier. While this particular part number is no longer available, the operation and functionality is similar to that of our F35 series inductive sensors.
Well, that concludes this segment of Ask an Expert. I want to thank Casey for joining me today and thank our audience as well. For additional information, here are 5 easy ways to connect with us.